How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about WAXP Coin, WAXP Coin. What's the price changes occur in the WAXP Coin? And guys, I'm also talking about the technical analysis. What will be the next move of WAXP Coin? We discuss these all things in this video, so just keep watch this video complete, guys. And if you are new to my channel or if you don't subscribe ABS Tech channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. Anyways, at this time, guys, if we talk about the currently live and latest price of WAXP Coin, so you can see it 0.283395 USD dollar. That is the current price of WAXP Coin. And other side, if we talk about the changes of WAXP Coin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of WAXP Coin is completely positive, and that's very good for all of you. Only the last 1 week changes of WAXP Coin is negative. Very soon these changes will become positive. Let me show you the price chart. You can see here, wow, congratulations, guys. That's good news for all of you. Just look at this pump, guys. That is from last 5 hours WAXP Coin start this positive changes, guys. And I believe, guys, that for a long time WAXP Coin will continue this kind of positive changes, guys. Very congratulations to all WAXP Coin holders, guys. Just enjoy, guys. On the basis of this update, you can see that now WAXP Coin is going upward. The price changes is positive, so at this time you have to hold if you want profit, guys. Just hold and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.